Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic in economics, utility. Utility in economics refers to the satisfaction or pleasure that an individual derives from consuming a good or service. Utility is a subjective concept as it depends on each person's individual preferences and value. The utility of a good or service is not determined by its market price but by personal satisfaction it provides to the consumer. Utility is a key concept in microeconomics as it derives consumer behavior and decision making. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as a person consumes more and more units of a good, the additional satisfaction or utility from each additional unit decreases. This helps to explain why consumers tend to choose the most cost effective combination of goods and services to maximize their total utility. In economic analysis, utility is often measured in units of satisfaction, such as until this allows economists to compare the utility of different goods and services and to study consumer behavior in the market. Understanding utility is crucial for businesses and policymakers in creating effective economic policies and in understanding consumer behavior in the market. Here are some examples of utility. Very important examples. A consumer who enjoys eating chocolate experiences utility from the pleasure derived from consuming it. Second one is a consumer who purchases a car experiences utility from the satisfaction of owning a vehicle and the benefits that come with it, such as convenience and comfort. Third one is a consumer who buys a book experiences utility from the knowledge and enjoyment gained from reading it. Fourth one is a consumer who visits a theme park experiences utility from the excitement and thrill of the rides and attractions. Now we will discuss characteristics of utility. Very important. In economics, the concept of utility is used to describe the satisfaction or pleasure that a person derives from the consumption of goods and services. The following are the main characteristics of utility. First one is subjectivity. Utility is subjective, meaning that it varies from person to person based on their individual taste, preferences, and experiences. What brings pleasure to one person may not bring pleasure to other. Second one is additively. Utility can be combined from different goods and services. For example, a consumer may experience utility from both eating a good meal and having a relaxing massage. Third one is cardinality. Utility can be measured in numbers, allowing for comparisons between different goods and services. This measurement is referred to as cardinal utility. For one is diminishing marginal utility, DMU. The additional satisfaction that a consumer derives from consuming additional units of a good or service decreases over time. This is known as the law of diminishing marginal utility. Fifth one is maximization. Consumers aim to maximize their utility by choosing the combination of goods and services that provides the most satisfaction. This principle is referred to as utility maximization. Sixth one is transferability. Utility can be transferred from one good or service to another. For example, a consumer may choose to purchase a more expensive car in order to receive additional utility in the form of safety and comfort.